If you're someone who has a hard time meeting new people, and you feel uncomfortable just at the thought of going out to a social event and meeting a bunch of new people, then you are in the right place. Know that you are not alone. College can be an exciting time, but it can also be overwhelming, especially for introverts who may feel drained by social interactions. However, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to meet more people, make new friends, and create meaningful connections. The first step, and the best thing you can do right now, is to embrace your introversion and recognize your strengths. As an introvert, you possess unique qualities that can be an advantage when it comes to making friends. Introverts tend to be great listeners, thoughtful, and empathetic. Recognize and embrace these strengths, as they can make you a valuable friend and allow you to connect on a deeper level with others. Authenticity is key when building genuine friendships. Instead of trying to be someone you're not, embrace your true self and let your personality shine. People are drawn to authenticity, and by being genuine, you will attract like-minded individuals who appreciate you for who you are. The key to being authentic is to not care about what others think of you. This might be harder than it sounds, but you need to stop letting others dictate how to act and what to do, because you are afraid of what they might think of you. Who cares? Just be yourself and live your life. It's your life in the end, and no one can tell you how to live it. Another thing you should be doing is expand your social circle. This is easier than you think. One way is to join clubs and organizations that align with your interests. This is an excellent way to meet like-minded individuals. Start searching for clubs or groups related to your hobbies, passions, or academic pursuits, and join some of these clubs and go to their meetings. You will have the opportunity to connect with other people who share your interests and who are there for the same exact reason you are, to connect and make friends. Another way is to attend social events. This is a bit more advanced because I know that it might be scary for an introvert like you. But attending social events can be a great way to meet new people and expand your social circle. If you are okay with stepping out of your comfort zone once in a while, then look out for parties, networking events, or even study groups. Start by challenging yourself to attend at least one social event each month and gradually increase your participation. A secret to showing up as interesting at those social events while talking with other people is to ask open-ended questions. Asking open-ended questions can help keep the dialogue flowing and show genuine interest in the other person. Avoid simple yes or no questions, such as, "Did you like this event?" Instead, ask questions that encourage elaboration, such as, "What did you like the most about this event?" Or, "What was your favorite part?" And once you asked a question, really listen. Practice focusing your attention fully on the person you're conversing with, maintaining eye contact, and showing genuine interest in what they have to say. By actively listening, you show them that you value their perspective and are invested in the conversation. All of these sound nice, but what if you are introverted with severe social anxiety? And just the mere thought of dressing up for a social event gives you the heebie-jeebies.
Does anyone else have the heebie-jeebies?
In this case, the best way to build self-confidence fast is to take care of yourself and focus on yourself. Make sure to prioritize activities that recharge you, such as spending time alone, pursuing hobbies, or practicing mindfulness. When you take care of yourself, you'll feel more energized and confident, making it easier to engage with others and form friendships, and make it a habit to celebrate your success. I can't stress enough how important it is to acknowledge and celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. In the book, The Gain and the Gap, Dan Sullivan talks about how focusing on your wins every day grows your confidence and self-esteem exponentially. These wins can be small things, such as making eye contact with someone on the street.
Oh God, I made eye contact.
Or just saying hi to someone new today.
Oh, hello, papagena. Tu le pera con la papaya.
Celebrating these wins will boost your self-confidence and motivate you to continue expanding your social circle.